Welcome to our series of how to maintain your Titan Pro garden machinery. Before carrying out any work, please ensure the engine is switched off and the spark plug is disconnected. Hello, today we're going to do a blade change on a 15 horsepower chipper from Titan Pro. The first thing to do is to remove the side chute. For this, you need a 30mm socket on a ratchet and undo the 4 nuts. For the 4th nut, you may need an extension. I find it easier using a spanner. So the next task is to remove the top hopper. You'll need a 10mm spanner and the same 30mm socket on the ratchet. There are 4 bolts to undo on each corner. Repeat this for the 2 remaining bolts and remove the hopper. So now you've got the side chute and the top hopper off. Make sure the blade is lined up with a hole. You need a 12mm socket on a ratchet and a 5mm Allen key. The Allen key into the bolt. Use a ratchet to undo the nut. Do this for all 3 bolts. Then you got the last bolt out, remove the blade, and that's half the job done. So now you've got the old blade off, get your new blade, make sure you've got the recesses for the bolt on the outside, get it in the hole, locate probably the middle bolt would be easier, and then do up all the nuts. Do this for all 3 nuts and bolts. Just make sure each one is nice and tight so they don't come loose. That's the job done. Reinstall all parts in reverse order. To purchase any spares for our Titan Pro garden machinery, please follow the link below.